degrees outside. Some tall glass buildings. Little walk to the hotel. I have arrived at the hotel. What's going on? First day in Tokyo, going to Shibuya Scramble Crossing. The train is here, guys. Let's go. Beautiful day. Place is busy on Monday. Omikuja.
meiji jingu.
Some food. Write down your wishes. Offerings. Vegetables. Everybody have dirty hands. I'm in anime land. Big camera. Place goes on and on. We are in Shibuya to cross some streets. Let's see how many streets we can cross. We're still crossing, guys. Let's go. Have some stickers. So, what do people do here? Where do we go? We're doing it again. Craziness. Run. We are running. Well, I'm done with it. Starbucks. Successful crossing. Walking in Shinjuku area. That McDonald's is huge. We found the Godzilla. Place is sketchy. Kabukiza in the Ginza area. Freaking Chrysler. Beautiful shopping experience in the Acer. We got it. Let's go to the train. I'm going to see Imperial Palace today. 14 million people in Tokyo. It's a lot of humans. We have a Tokyo station. That's the Imperial Palace for ya. Gate is closed. That's all you get. Government Buildings Guide. Going to see the Tokyo Tower. This is it. $20 to go up. I ain't got no $20. We have a tower under the tower. People chilling. Success steps on a horse. I need a horse. I almost succeeded. I need a horse now. Very nice. With instructions. Crazy. Scientology in Tokyo. I'm in sketchy neighborhood again.
撮ってください。よろしくお願いします。
USA. Gotta record that cat. And it's gone. I need to buy a Rolex. Subscribe and like this video. I wanna touch. Got lost in the underground mall. Goes on and on. Another beautiful day in Tokyo. Gonna get some cappuccino. No, let's do it. We are getting some fresh bakery. Gonna consume that and be on our way. Very nice. I am in a very nice area. Look at this guy. 4th floor. Mount Fuji. Not visible. 2,400. Take my money. Welcome. Photo service. I do my own photo services. Good view. I'm following школьники. Merry Christmas. Still cannot find the Arasaka Tower. 350 meters. I ain't got no money for 450. Oh, we got glass floor. Pokemon. Yeah. Getting on the bus, I think. Arigato bus. Got some food ordered. Egg, miso soup, and this. Alright, gracias. Alright, we're going in. Going in. Let's go, I know people.
Flowers and fire.
Which section is the Dutch flower?
Wish me luck. So far on board. Is this the end?
Please come this way.
Oh boy. Yo. Live from Tokyo. Like and subscribe. How much is the fish? Hopefully nobody pissed in the pool. We got balls. We got balls. Our balls are big. Photo opportunities. Some humans and the balls. Let me out. Out we go. More mirrors.